To fix the login errors on LinkedIn. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having the login errors on LinkedIn, here is ways how you can fix it. So without any ado, let's get started. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi to check it. Next up, you have to long press your LinkedIn application to go to app info. This is done to clear the LinkedIn app cache and data. For this, head over to storage and cache and then clear the cache. You can also clear the data, however, this will log you out of the app. After this, you can reopen the application and try logging in again. If you are in your iPhone, you can uninstall and reinstall the LinkedIn app from the App Store. Alternatively, you can also offload the app by going to iPhone storage, selecting LinkedIn, and tapping on Offload app. After that, you can reopen the app and try to log in again. Now, in order to update the app to the latest version, head over to your Google Play Store or App Store. Once that is done, search for the LinkedIn on the search bar, then tap on Update to install the latest version. Always double check your login details before submitting. If not, you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password on login screen. Follow the steps to reset the password. Alternatively, you can use other login methods as well, which includes Google account, Apple ID, and Facebook ID. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.